Welcome to my book. In these pages, you will find an exploration of various topics that I am passionate about. From self-improvement and personal growth to travel and adventure, this book covers a wide range of subjects that I hope will inspire and inform you. Chapter 1. Self-improvement. In this chapter, we'll explore some of the key strategies and techniques for improving your life and achieving your goals. From setting smart objectives to developing positive habits and routines, we'll cover the essential tools you need to create a life you love. Chapter 2. Personal growth. In this chapter, we'll dive deeper into the concept of personal growth and explore why it's such an important part of living a fulfilling life. From learning new skills and pursuing your passions to developing your mindset and cultivating inner peace, we'll explore a range of strategies for personal growth and development. Chapter 3. Travel and adventure. In this chapter, we'll explore the joys and benefits of travel and adventure. From exploring new cultures and meeting new people to challenging yourself and stepping out of your comfort zone, we'll look at why travel is such an important part of a well-lived life. Chapter 4. Creativity and innovation. In this chapter, we'll explore the power of creativity and innovation. From developing your own creative skills to inspiring others and making a positive impact on the world, we'll look at how creativity can be a force for positive change. Chapter 5. Mindfulness and meditation. In this final chapter, we'll explore the concept of mindfulness and meditation. From developing a daily meditation practice to cultivating greater awareness and presence in your life, we'll explore the benefits of mindfulness and how it can transform your life. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through my book. Remember, the most important thing is to take action and start making positive changes in your life today. With dedication and persistence, you can create the life of your dreams.